Okay, if you want to turn off the feature where if you click on one of your pins, especially on mobile, a lot of times we're seeing that you click on the pin and instead of it actually taking you to the site, it instead pulls up a shopping recommendation. And so I would suggest turning this off, even if you're using affiliate pins, shoppable pins, things like that. This is recommending related products. And so you just go into your settings and then you go to social permissions, you scroll down to shopping recommendations, and these are usually toggled on, especially in standard pins. I would just toggle both of them off and then, of course, click save. And that should turn off that option in your pins, which should help increase your click through rate. So I would definitely suggest doing that for your pins. Even if, like I said, if you're using shoppable pins to where you're tagging products, things like that, you should still be able to do that. This is just shopping similar products using visual search, which is not something that I suggest, not something that I recommend. It can lower your click through rate. So I would definitely suggest turning that feature off and then just watching your click through rate, and it should help increase it.